Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're serious about health, fat loss, or just feeling your best, hit that like button and subscribe. Let's dive right in. The biggest mistake people make with intermittent fasting is overeating during the eating window. Yes, fasting can help control your hunger, but when you finally break your fast, many people end up binge eating, thinking they deserve it. This completely cancels out all the benefits of fasting. Remember, fasting isn't magic. Calories still matter. If you're consuming more calories than you burn, even in a small window, weight loss will stall, and energy levels will crash. So what's the solution? Plan your meals ahead. Focus on high protein, high fiber, and whole foods. Stay mindful. Fasting is powerful, but only if you respect your eating window. If you found this helpful, smash that like button and share it with someone who's trying intermittent fasting. And don't forget to subscribe for more quick, science-backed tips every week. Until next time, fast smart, live strong.